Hey drivers! Welcome to CDL Exam, the channel where you learn, pass, and drive with confidence. Today, we're tackling 10 must-know passenger endorsement questions. Precisely the kind of tricky details you'll see on your CDL test. We're going to break each question down one by one, give you multiple choice options, and then explain the correct answer so you're ready to ace it on test day. These questions follow the authentic CDL exam style and use the STAR learning method. So you don't just memorize, you understand what the examiners want. Before we get started, make sure to like this video if it helps you out, subscribe to CDL Exam for more free practice tests, tips, and real-world driving advice, and drop a comment with what endorsement you want to study next. I'm here to help you get licensed and get on the road. All right, grab your notes, take a second, and let's jump into your 10 passenger endorsement questions right now. Let's get you that CDL. Question 11, should you inspect the seat belts on a bus? A, no, it's not required. B, yes, but only on the driver's seat. C, yes, make sure they're functional if required. Take a second. The answer is C, yes, make sure they're functional if required. Inspect seat belts before operating, especially if regulations require passengers to use them. Question 12, what lights must you check before driving? A, headlights only. B, brake lights, turn signals, clearance lights, hazard lights, and headlights. C, none if it's daytime. Take a second. The answer is B, headlights, brake lights, turn signals, clearance lights, and hazard lights must all be inspected before driving. Question 13, what is the proper way to inspect windshield wipers? A, check that they wipe the mirrors. B, check for proper operation and that blades are not worn. C, check the wiper fluid only. Take a second. The answer is B, check that the wipers operate properly and that blades are not worn. This ensures you have clear visibility during bad weather. Question 14, what must you do if the bus has air brakes? A, nothing. Air brakes self-check. B, check air pressure, listen for leaks, and test the low air warning device. C, check only the parking brake. Take a second. The answer is B. Check air pressure, listen for leaks, and test the low air warning device to ensure your air brake system is safe. Question 15. How do you check that emergency exits are working properly? A, look at them from the outside. B, open them fully and ensure they latch securely. C, tap on the glass. Take a second. The answer is B. Open them fully to make sure they latch securely and are not blocked. This is required for passenger safety. Question 16. Why must you inspect the floor covering? A, it helps with heating. B, it's for appearance only. C, to prevent passengers from tripping on loose or damaged flooring. Take a second. The answer is C. Always inspect the floor covering to avoid trip hazards from loose or damaged areas. Question 17. What should you check on the doors? A, that they open and close smoothly and the safety interlock works. B, that they're locked shut. C, that they squeak when opening. Take a second. The answer is A. Ensure doors open and close smoothly and the safety interlock is working to protect passengers. Question 18. What do you look for in the suspension system? A, broken springs, missing bolts, and damaged airbags. B, flat tires. C, broken mirrors. Take a second. The answer is A. Always check for broken springs, missing bolts, and damaged airbags in the suspension system. Question 19. When should you check fluid levels? A, weekly. B, before starting the bus. C, only during long trips. Take a second. The answer is B, check fluid levels before starting the bus to prevent mechanical problems during operation. Question 20. Why do you need to inspect reflective triangles? A, they're required for breakdowns or roadside emergencies. B, they're optional. They're for decoration. Take a second. The answer is A. Inspect your reflective triangles so you can safely alert traffic if you break down on the road. Great job, drivers! You made it through these 10 key passenger endorsement questions, just like the ones you'll see on your real CDL exam. Remember, repetition is key. Watch this video again, practice your answers out loud, and check out the other videos here on CDL Exam, your free resource to learn, pass, and drive. If you found this helpful, do me a favor. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, share it with a fellow driver getting ready for their test. Drop a comment below. Let me know what you're struggling with or what practice test you want to see next. I read every single one, and I'm here to help you get that license. Safe driving, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next practice session. JJ, CDL exam. Let's get you on the road.